Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Thursday, April 23rd. I'm James Spann. Another day of heavy rain and severe weather for the state. The chance of 2 rounds of severe storms today. Let's get right in there and talk about it. There's the upper air look. You can see that trough approaching that produced some really wild weather through parts of Oklahoma and Texas, Louisiana last night. That was the radar composite early this morning at 4:54. Just a big, massive rain for the northern half of the state. We do have some surface-based storms over South Alabama where there is a tornado watch in effect for the southern quarter of the state until 1 o'clock this afternoon. In fact, that was a tornado warning early this morning, about 5 o'clock for parts of Choctaw and northern Clark counties. And again, the storms down there are surface-based, but for the northern half of the state, just, a big, massive rain early this morning. We should mention also that there is a flash flood watch in effect for parts of central and west Alabama. This is where rain amounts will be in the 2 and 3 inch range, but everybody getting a good soaking across the state this morning. Here's the severe weather risk for today. Got a chance of severe storms across the southeastern states. We have a 10% chance of a tornado, basically for areas south of Interstate 20. 10% chance within 25 miles of a point. And the hatched area means there could be a strong tornado, and by definition, that is EF2 or higher. And we should also mention there is a hatched area for large hail, and that's for the activity that comes this afternoon and this evening. And then tomorrow, we've got risks northwest and southeast of Alabama. We're not involved in that. And on day 3, which is Saturday, we have a marginal risk just east of the state through parts of Georgia, the Carolinas. But this is the Alabama situation today. And again, this is mainly for the activity this afternoon. A level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk for areas along and south of Interstate 20. And the standard slight risk up to the Tennessee state line, actually up into the state of Tennessee. And much more about this in just a moment. This is the rain for the next 7 days. And again, I think if we take out the rain this morning, this is accurate. Some spots this morning are getting over 2 inches. But after that, amounts will be around 1 inch between now and Thursday of next week. So here's the GFS. This is the 06E run, 4 o'clock today. There's your trough. Somewhat positive tilt. A surface low is northwest of Nashville. And, of course, the question is, can we recover from the big rain mass this morning? Well, this is the NAM, the 3-kilometer NAM, valid this afternoon at 7 o'clock. And you can see the convection beginning to form over the eastern side of the state, really up into northeast Alabama. Fort Payne down through Gadsden, Anniston, Sylacauga. This is the instability this evening at 7 o'clock, and the numbers really ramp up, and this is suggesting the air can recover. Remember, sometimes models don't perform well in this situation, but the NAM's been consistent, showing instability values of 2,000 joules per kilogram as far north as Birmingham. Now, this is the SRH, the storm relative helicity, and the better values over there on that far eastern side of the state. And your better combination of CAPE and helicity will be maximized there in that zone from near Anniston and Gadsden down to Lineville, Rockford, Montgomery, and then down into southwest Alabama, down toward Mobile. So we'll just see how this plays out. The rain will be ending this morning pretty soon. In fact, by the time you watch this, the rain could be over. And we'll have several hours to recover. So some of the storms in that zone could produce large hail, damaging wind, and possibly a tornado. And maybe a strong tornado somewhere, an EF2 or higher. This is the timing for the afternoon activity. West Alabama, if storms develop, and that's a real big conditional threat there, noon to 3. For Birmingham, Montgomery, Anniston, Gadsden, we'll say 2 to 5. And then for the rest of the state, 4 to 7. So just this afternoon and this evening, be very weather aware. Be sure you have a way of getting warnings, and I know you do if you watch these videos, but be sure your friends and neighbors have a good way of getting warnings. Tomorrow, it's all by. We're in between. The sky mostly sunny. The high should be in the mid to upper 70s. Now, Saturday morning, here comes the next fast-moving system. A surface low is northeast of Memphis, and that could bring a band of showers and storms into North Alabama early Saturday morning. This is the high-res NAM, and again, it's not showing a lot. The latest data suggesting there will not be any instability. We don't expect severe weather. That's the bottom line, although there could be some thunder early Saturday morning. And then during the day Saturday, we're expecting the sky to become partly sunny with a high in the middle 70s, with the rain north of here. Sunday, a shocker for the first time in how long? No severe weather. A beautiful day, nothing but sunshine with low 70s. Monday, a sunny day with mid to upper 70s. Tuesday, we're still dry. We'll be close to 80. And this is Wednesday. Wednesday morning, a band of rain moving in with a front, and then Wednesday afternoon, the rain shifting down into South Alabama. This is not a severe weather look, but certainly a pretty good chance of rain at times during the day. High should be in the 70s, and this is a week from today, Thursday the 30th, troughing over the northeast, and we are in a dry air mass. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday, May 2nd. Zonal flow, and this is suggesting rain just north of here. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean about 3 inches for the next 15 days. Highs very seasonal. 70s for the rest of April, maybe low 80s as May begins. And the CPC outlook for April 30th through May 6th, temperatures here near average, below average up in the northeast, and above average in the southwest. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock today, if weather allows. And if you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.